Hello, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to add an email address to Go High Level using their email service provider. My email address is hosted through Google account. So we're going to be focused on that. So basically, if you just go into settings and email services, we can add the service here. And I'm going to select Gmail. And my email address is just hosted through Gmail. So we're going to want to put the email address in here and then the password. So this is where a lot of people get hung up. Is the password is not actually the password that you use to sign into your email address. It's actually a secure app password that it's looking for. And in order to find that, you're going to want to go into your Google accounts. This is myaccount.google.com, and you're going to want to go into security. And once you're in security, you're going to see that you have some different options here. Make sure that two-step verification is set to on. It will only work if it's set to on. And then let's go into app passwords. So in this situation, so I'm just going to remove this one. If you've never used this before, it's probably not going to show up with anything. So you're just going to go into selecting the app and just click other, and we're going to label it GHL for Go High Level. And then I'm going to generate the app password. So this is the password that it's going to want. So copy this and save it somewhere safe. I'm going to hit done, and now you can see that it's been saved here. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to plug that password in, and I'm just going to pause the video while okay, there we go. So it has just added that email address, and you can see that it's sitting right here. And then all I'm going to want to do is hit the check mark to say, yep, that's my default. This is what I want emails being sent out as. I actually want this one for this account. It's a live account. So yeah, so that's really all you need to do to set up the Gmail. I'm going to create another Loom video to kind of show you how to set up the Go High Level lead connector as well. It's fairly easy as well. And of course, thank you for watching.